Okay, I'm in Red Songbird Community, San Antonio, Texas, suburb of San Antonio, Texas. So I wanted to just mention this. If you're in the bigger cities, why stress out when you can be here and enjoying the blessings that you can afford? The peace of mind, tranquility, no stress, no fighting with your neighbors, living in harmony. Why would you want all that stress? Cities are not going in the right direction, and I think that here, and my fellow Texans, please don't get mad at me. There's good people coming from other states that want to share the blessings that you have here in the great state of Texas. So, I mean, I love it. So, anyways, we're just looking around. Wanted to share this video with you. You can see all of that. It's nice, man. And it can only get expensive as time goes on. Better to lock in now than to lock in later. Go straight?
No, make a right. Look at the bull.
Texan bull. Longhorn sheep. I mean longhorn
Cow.
bull. Well, bull and cow. Cow is the female. I'm not a real estate agent and I'm not selling. Just wanted to share with you what could be better for you. Thank you for subbing my channel and hitting the like button. I really appreciate the support. Yeah, I like those homes in Kings William. Jesus, I wish I had the money.
At the time?
Yeah, at the time, man. 8-bedroom mansion. It was going for like 500.
Oh man, back then the prices were good in King.
They were good, man.
Make it right at the next intersection.
This one right here?
Not this street. No, I'm sorry. It's gonna be a T intersection or a plus.
Yeah.
Terrata Homes. Have you ever heard of Terrata? Yeah, that way. Coventry. Texas home. Oh, gas station.
That Laro, that's all brand new.
Yeah. Okay.
Make it right here.
Yeah, make it right. Laro coming soon.
Wow.
Green Glen Acres. And go straight down this one.
Look at all that development. Oh, man. Oh, wow. I mean, if I sold in California, I can buy 4 big ones, 4 big houses.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. If I can sell the paintings, the Jackson Pollock, man, I'd be sitting pretty. I'd be sitting pretty.
Get yourself a salesman.
Now I have to do it on my own. Even like Christie's auction, I sent them emails, they don't respond. It's all a racket. I'm gonna try to sell to Dubai, Middle Eastern oil money. And we come out here and I'll do videos buying real estate.
And then make a right on the next street. Good enough?
Is this it, baby? Oh, wow. Look at that. That's like California in the 70s. Yeah, exact. I have the same memories when Mom and Dad was shopping for our house back in the early 70s.
Yeah, it reminds me of E.T.
E.T., right? Northridge,
Yeah.
Cedar.
How the houses were all stacked.
Oh, it was nice and clean, but like, yeah. Simi Valley.
Yeah.
It was all like this.
And then take this all the way back to the road we came on.
Okay, sweetie.
Okay.
See? Yeah, these. I mean, yeah, I just don't know why people live a certain lifestyle. I mean, I would like home ownership is really where it's at. You work harder to keep it, but it's better than like paying rent and have your money flushed down the toilet every month, have nothing to show for it. Hey guys, my camera is heating up, and so anyways, this is San Antonio suburb, and look at all that. Look at all that. Beautiful, spacious. Thing about Texas, my fear of tornadoes, but I always said it's probably better to live with the fear of tornadoes than with the stress
You can go left or right.
in New York or Los Angeles or even Portland. Frisco. Forget Frisco. Frisco used to be nice. It's all changed. I'd rather live with the fear of tornadoes than to have to deal waking up to stress every morning. It's a different feeling. It's a different feeling having to deal with stress every day.
Okay. Another car coming.
I got you, baby. See? I got turbo.
Yeah, good job with that middle.
I got turbo. Yeah, this is it, baby. I'm sorry, Texans. Have to break out the secret, man. The whole world is gonna flood this area in the next maybe 60 days. This is where it's at, man. I just, I don't get it.
That bird up in
Yeah.
the sky, like a kite.
Yep, that's a hawk.
Oh, and these are like black-eyed Susans or
Black-eyed Susan.
wild sunflowers.
Wildflowers, yeah, it's pretty, huh? During springtime. This is Medio Creek,
Yep.
West Ridge.
You're gonna make a right on Tamarone Pass.
So there's money in Century City, Beverly Hills. Oh, look at that, man.
What is that?
What the hell is all that?
That hot asphalt? Oh, it's sand? What is
Crazy Texan? Yeah, the Texans are crazy out here.
that? Yeah, make sure that truck driver knows how to read English.
That's right.
That's the new law.
That's right.
I think that's Tamarone.
Make it right here?
Yeah. It's gonna stretch a little before the right turns.
Okay, sweetie.
Just be careful of the corner. And then on the left at that stop sign there.
Oh, we have to get bottled water.
Okay.
We'll get like 10 gallons.
Yeah, I was thinking of getting water.
Make a left here.
Yes.
So anyways, my phone is overheating. This is suburbs of San Antonio, Texas. I'm really sorry to my fellow Texans. I just was so elated to share the news, and believe it or not, good people from other parts of the country are coming to relocate in Texas. So please don't be offended, and they contributed a lot because they're highly educated and family value oriented families that are coming out here. They have the money, and it's better for your state. I don't know what I'm saying all that for, but anyways, I know I'm going to get some hate. That's okay, you get love back. looks like New Jersey back in the 70s. Man, yeah, 1970.
Trees and the clouds.
Yeah, with the roads meander. Okay, I'm gonna sign off. More videos to come. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for all your support.